price tag on this helicopter is about $450. Pretty lightweight. This one has a stock setup on it.
That's light poly?
Yeah. And this is flybarless using the V-bar 5.1. Okay, you run back and one more.
You control it with this remote, huh?
Yeah.
Do you buy this separately?
Oh yeah, I buy this. I buy the kit, and then you put the electronic on. Doesn't come with the electronic. But by the time you complete everything, you pay well over $1,000.
Wow.
The radio is sold separately. It's a more, it's a professional radio.
Yeah,
It's made
looks
by,
like it.
Futaba.
Yeah.
This one comes with a 2.4 on a PCPM antenna. Yeah.
You look like a professional pilot too.
You know, a lot of people say professional, but I'm still a beginner. Still learning all the routine. Okay, yeah, we go for one more.
Alright. Lift off. You're not gonna hit me, right?
Huh?
You're not gonna hit me here?
No.
Yeah.
I'm in full control.
Ooh, nice. Upside down. See how you control it. You can do backwards too?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Alright.
Yeah, that one is the Mini Proto.
Yeah.
Flybarless.
What's that beeping sound?
That's the speed controller, because I had it in throttle hole. You cut the throttle. Warn you, let you know that it's in first stage. Yeah. Oh yeah, so this is the Great Escobar, man. That's my field name.
All right.
So we're still trying to do the rookie, trying to get everything done right. Still have a long way to go though, to catch up to the professional.
Well, you did good though.
I know.
You go backwards, sideways, upside down.
It goes every way, man. You can do a whole lot of stuff with this thing.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable what you can do with these unbelievable. And it's one of the best 450 in the market right now, the Proto.
Yeah.
Next to the Rave 450. It's built so simple. It's got a single belt drive, which eliminates the excess vibration.
And it's all battery, right?
Yeah, I use a 3-cell. I'm using the 3-cell Lightning Power,
Yeah.
200 series.
Mm-hmm.
It's a 45C. See, battery being out for about 7 to 8 months now is pretty good. One of the best LiPo you can find in the market so far.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got over 110 cycle on there, so you can just see the performance coming out of there with 110 cycle in the battery pack. So the pack is pretty good.
That's good.
All right, man.
All right, thanks. Thanks for your time,
Peace
man.
out, peace
All
out,
right.
peace out, man.
I'm gonna post it.